This here 750S XI is getting a makeover, putting a sticker kit on this guy. So what do I gotta do? I gotta remove all this, and that's something that nobody enjoys doing. So keep me in your prayers, people, and maybe I'll get through this. But it should look really cool when it's done, and it's gonna be very easy for you to watch. We're on, let's do it. All right guys, so to get the old sticker material off of here, I got one of these drill sticker wheel things, and it works all right. Pretty good about not screwing up the underneath of it. So yeah, I'm happy that this works. I think I'm gonna go through this whole wheel for sure, but yeah, just gonna blaze it all off. I have finished putting the stickers on. I only give you a little bit of shots of me doing the handle pull because I wanted to build the suspense and then reveal it all at once like an episode of Overhauling. Here it is. What do you got to say about that?